Hi! I'm Anshie Moliano from FbCadCam Software Services, and welcome to my free basic tutorials. I hope you will like it. Please watch this video until the end. If you haven't subscribed on our channel yet, make sure you subscribe. You can share this video on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as much as you can. It will motivate me a lot. So without wasting any further time, let's start out today's tutorial. Moving transparent image using FbCadCam. In this video, you will learn how to put transparent image on FbCadCam. My tutorials for today look like this. You can see that the image here has transparent background. I move the image using the up, left, down and right arrow keyboard. Alright. So let us learn how to create this moving transparent image. First, make sure that you have installed application of FbCadCam. It looks like this. If you don't have, you can download it, and I will put the links in this video descriptions. The first thing to do is to create image on Paint. Let's adjust the screen resolution, and I want it to be into 200 by 200. To have transparent background, we must use magenta color as the background. Let's just go to Edit Colors, then set RGB color to 255 for red, 0 for green and 255 for blue. Then click Add to Custom button to add the color, then click OK. And now let's start to create image here. Any kind of image you want to draw is okay. If you finished your drawing, let's save your work, create new folder for it, and make sure you will save your image using BMP as an extension name. Later on you will notice why. Here's the folder we created a while ago, and to start our coding let's first open this FbCadCam application. Click File on your top menu. Under the file there is New Project option. If you will create a new project, since we already created a folder a while ago, I will create new code file instead. Let's save first our file on the folder where pig image has been saved. First let's set our screen resolution to 600 for width, 600 for height and 32 for default color depths. If it is hard for you to understand how the screen resolution works, just point your mouse to the screen res then click F1 on your keyboard. This is a short key to get help. Put sleep to wait until a specified time has elapsed. This is the result by setting screen resolution to 600 by 600. Let's load the image first, then save and run. As you can see, the background of the image here is not transparent yet, so let's continue. Then let's create a variable that will hold the image. I will name it my pig, and use image create to hold the size of the actual image. And let's create another variable name that will hold image background. I will name it my pig BG, and let's save and run again. As you can see, nothing happens. So let's proceed. Well, it is important to run your codes in every time you make changes, so that it is easy for you to recognize if something terrible happened, or if there is error to fix. Let's create a variable x and y that is equal to 0 for moving purposes. Next I will create do loop to control the statement, and inside this loop we will put all the conditions needed to finally have moving transparent image. We will use get command to set the image position and to get the background. After getting the background we will put the image. Just put the image X and Y position and image variable name. Add trans word after, because it has put graphics statement which selects transparent background as the blending method. Add sleep 10 for example, so that the delay will be 10 milliseconds. And after getting the background and putting the image we will put the background, so that transparency will be visible. Remember, every time you used image create, don't forget to use image destroy to destroys and deallocate storage for an image. Let's save and run. As you can see, we still don't have transparent background, so let's go back to the codes and fix something. I will create conditions for moving, and I will use multi-key conditions. It says that multi-key detects the status of keys by keyboard scan code. Then x plus equal to 2 to command the image to go right. Copy it 4 times and change to left, up and down. When we use multi-key commands, make sure you imported its library too. If you don't memorize the library, just click F1 and copy-paste the library and put it at the top of your codes. And now let's try to save and run again. Oh, the background is still there. Let's go back to the codes and find what's wrong. We missed to put the variable name of pig image at the B load. That's why transparency is not visible. Okay, let's save and run again. This how moving transparent image works. Thanks for watching. See you on my next tutorials.